There is an unspoken rule in modern society that tells us we have to choose between two extremes. On one hand, you have your smartphone, a device that sits in your pocket, constantly buzzing, dragging your attention down into a tiny, cramped 6-inch glass screen. It is hyper-portable, but it suffocates your productivity, turns reading into a chore, and forces you to consume media through a keyhole. On the other hand, you have your laptop or your giant 10-inch tablet, beautiful, expansive canvases that give your eyes room to breathe, but are heavy, clunky, and require a dedicated backpack or a flat surface just to use comfortably. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. You are trapped in a constant tug-of-war between convenience and capability. But what if I told you there is a device that completely shatters this compromise? A device that slips effortlessly into a jacket pocket, yet possesses the raw, unadulterated computing power of a premium laptop. It is the Apple iPad Mini 8. And no, this isn't just another incremental tablet upgrade. This is a highly calculated, deeply psychological masterclass in form factor engineering. Over this video, we are going to peel back the layers on why this specific, compact canvas has created a cult-like obsession among high-performance executives, creative elites, and digital nomads, and why your current tech setup is secretly draining your mental focus. If you think a small tablet is just an oversized phone or a compromised media player, you are about to realize exactly how much friction you've been tolerating in your daily life. Let's start with a brutal truth about human psychology and the devices we carry. When you hold a giant tablet or open a laptop, your brain immediately transitions into work mode. Your posture shifts, your shoulders tense, and you feel the weight of expectation. It is a formal experience. Conversely, when you pull out your smartphone, your brain defaults to cheap dopamine loops. You mindlessly scroll through social media feeds, check notifications, and flip through apps without any real purpose. Your phone has become psychologically contaminated by distraction. The iPad Mini 8 enters your life as a clean slate, a completely unique psychological category. Because it is impossibly thin and light, weighing less than a single pound, it feels less like a piece of heavy machinery and more like a premium, digital notebook. Your brain reacts to it differently. It doesn't feel like an obligation, it feels like an opportunity. When you hold it in one hand, your thumb wrapping naturally around the edges, there is an immediate sense of effortless control. It invites you to read, to create, to analyze, and to focus in a way that no other device can match. It occupies the golden ratio of tech hardware, large enough to completely immerse your visual field, yet small enough to disappear into your life without a trace. But don't let its ultra-compact size fool you into thinking this is a toy. Inside this sleek aluminum shell lies a computing brain that defies the laws of physics, Apple's latest custom silicon. To fully appreciate what this means, we have to look at the dirty little secret of the mobile tech industry. Most small tablets on the market are built with leftover, low-tier processors. Manufacturers assume that if you want a smaller screen, you must want a cheap, underpowered media viewer for kids. They give you sluggish chips that stutter when you open multiple browser tabs and choke when you try to edit a heavy photo or play a modern game. Apple did the exact opposite. They packed the iPad Mini 8 with a high-performance architecture designed to handle intensive multitasking, desktop-grade applications,